Well, we're actually cruising down Carter's Run Road. This is serious country road, heading over to Nina's, my sister. And we're going to run this road probably for about 6-7 miles. We just turned off of Wilson, coming out of the city of Warrenton, Virginia. So as we make our way up here, watch out for a lot of deer, little foxes, maybe a bear or two, who knows. But it's a great drive. And we're going to turn into her road called Shire. A little bouncy. Private driveway, splits up in the property. Actually 3 properties here. This is going to their estate in the woods. The country estate. The deer are not out today. A lot of deer out here. You could have a breakfast with the deer. And their house is off on the right-hand side here as we make our way up to the estate. Little right-hand turn here, and we're almost home. But it is a bouncy road. And the estate. So come join us.